Our star product, Powkler fire suppression device, is specifically designed for the relatively confined space. This is a simulated fire scene for Powkler demonstration in a car engine compartment. Powkler has been pre-installed on the car bonnet with its thermal line fixed above where the car battery and wires are located. Staff have lit fire in a petrol-fueled container. Powkler has been automatically activated within a few seconds when thermal line catches flame or surrounding temperature reaches 180 degrees Celsius. The fire has been put out immediately with no damage to all other parts in the engine compartment. The leftover superfine powder is easy to clean and is completely environmentally friendly.